Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management, the podcast, where we delve into the world of maintenance management and explore the latest trends and technologies. I'm your host, Gopi, and today we have a very special guest joining us. Please welcome me, a renowned maintenance management and IoT expert. May, thank you for being here with us today.
Thank you, Gopi. It's a pleasure to be on the show and discuss such an important topic.
Absolutely, May. Today, we want to explore how maintenance management professionals can stay ahead and adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of their industry. We live in a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, and maintenance is no exception. So, May, let's dive right in. What are your thoughts on this topic?
Gopi, you're absolutely right. The landscape of maintenance management is rapidly changing, and staying ahead is crucial for professionals in this field. One of the key drivers of this change is the Internet of Things. IoT technologies have revolutionized maintenance by providing real-time data and insights that enable proactive decision-making.
That's fascinating, May. Could you elaborate on how IoT is transforming maintenance management?
Of course. Gopi, IoT allows us to connect various devices and sensors to gather data from equipment and assets. By analyzing this data, maintenance professionals can monitor the condition of assets, predict failures, and schedule maintenance activities accordingly. This shift from reactive to proactive maintenance is a game changer. It not only reduces downtime, but also optimizes resource allocation and extends the lifespan of assets.
That's truly remarkable, May. So, for maintenance professionals who are eager to adapt to this evolving landscape, what steps would you recommend they take?
Great question, Gopi. First and foremost, embracing IoT technologies is essential. Maintenance professionals should familiarize themselves with IoT devices, sensors, and data analytics tools. Understanding how to collect and analyze data effectively is a key skill in today's maintenance landscape. Additionally, integrating IoT systems with existing computerized maintenance management systems or enterprise asset management systems can further streamline workflows and enhance maintenance processes.
Excellent advice, May. Now, with the rapid advancement of technology, security and data privacy concerns often arise. How do you address these concerns in the context of IoT-enabled maintenance?
Security and data privacy are indeed paramount. Gopi. When implementing IoT systems, maintenance professionals must prioritize security measures to protect both the devices and the data they generate. This involves employing encryption techniques, secure network protocols, and regular system updates. It's also crucial to adhere to data privacy regulations and ensure that sensitive information remains confidential.
Thank you for highlighting that, May. Now, as we conclude our conversation, what final thoughts or tips would you like to share with our audience?
Certainly, Gopi. My final advice would be to never stop learning and exploring. The field of maintenance management is constantly evolving, and professionals need to stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. Attend conferences, join industry forums, and connect with other experts to exchange knowledge and experiences. By embracing a continuous learning mindset, maintenance professionals can stay ahead and adapt to the ever-changing landscape.
Well said, May. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your valuable insights. It has been an absolute pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you, Gopi. It was my pleasure to be here.
And thank you to all our listeners for tuning into this episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. We hope you found the conversation enlightening and gained some valuable takeaways. Stay tuned for more episodes where we explore the fascinating world of maintenance management. Until then, keep maintaining and keep excelling.